You know, after 10 years in this business, I'm still amazed at the number of people who keep asking, are waterbeds safe? Well, I can tell you without a doubt, not only are they safe, they're the best way in the world to get the best night's sleep. I'll bet right now, half of you watching are up because you can't get a decent night's rest. Tossing, turning, then you feel rotten all day long. Well, I really deep down believe that the waterbed is the best thing ever invented for comfort. And if you have the problems I've just been talking about, it can do wonders for you. So when you wake up, you'll feel better than you ever have before. So if you have some spare time in the next few days, drop by and check it out. It could put some real comfort in your life.
You're watching Night Comfort, brought to you by Labreeze Waterbeds.